Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2021 Ford Ranger XLT. Coming in this nice cactus gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the FX4 Off-Road Package. We have rear park sensing, tow hitch, we got a backup camera, we have a soft tonneau cover, mud flaps on the rear, as well as a nice gripped running board with mud flaps on the front, blind spot detection. And moving to the front, we do have two tow hooks, block heater, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space in the back with some cloth accents. We do have a storage cubby, 12-volt outlet, and of course if you don't need that extra person, this does fold out for 2 cup holders and some arm space. And you can lift up the seats as well for additional storage underneath. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats, the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front. You have your light configurations there and your mirror adjusters all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 96,693 kilometers. We do have a nice leather wrap steering wheel. You have your volume, playback, play forward, music. You have your phone, voice, mute, home settings, toggle for your screen, and cruise control. Looking here, we have our trip 1, trip 2, fuel economy, truck info, driving assist settings, all that fun stuff. Over here we have our gear shift with speed adjusters, cup holders, parking brake, got more storage underneath there, four-wheel drive, and your terrain mode, which is normal, snow, grass, gravel, mud and rut, and sand. Over here we have our trail control, auto stop, auto start, rear locking diff, trail, tow and haul, track, and looking down there we got storage with 2 USBs, and we do have 2 12 volts. We got our climate controls there with dual climate. You have your volume, tune, playback, play forward. We got storage below. Nice Ranger logo right there. And we do get storage above as well. We got our infotainment system here, which we do get what station you're currently on, compass and phone, Wi-Fi hotspot. For your audio, you do get SiriusXM capabilities. You got your climate controls just right here, as well as down there, whatever you prefer. Phone, any apps you may have downloaded, settings such as Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Ford Pass, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B7758A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.